Hmm. Does it mean the prince also has his eye on Maureen? How will she escape all of this temptation from left, right, and center? What do I do now? Maureen and I have missed each other for a long time. Should I still trust her? Or should I just fall for the princess? What do I do?
Hi. You still here?
Oh yes, I was getting ready for tomorrow's activities.
I'm sure this must be really exhausting. I'm sure you're tired and sleepy, right?
Yes, a little bit.
I couldn't sleep myself. So how about we just talk if you want to?
I'm sorry, I wish I could, but I have to go get some rest now. Thank you.
Everybody is lost. Naneme, neneme. Okwamiri maboni sino. Keduzi candida ya dizio. Oi, everybody is a suspect, and everybody is the offender. The question is, what's going on? What's going on? Oi.
Hey, darling. I have a surprise for you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm sorry I started with you. I have a surprise for you.
How did you come? You didn't lock the door?
No, it was open.
I mean.
Everybody is lost. Naneme, neneme. Okwamiri maboni sino. Keduzi candida ya dizio. Oi, everybody is a suspect, and everybody is the offender. The question is, what's going on? What's going on? What is the secret relationship going on? Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home? Everybody's playing a dating game. No one to be believed. They are living a crazy life in the royal house. Hey, Abu Gili Kanazo. Gili Kanazo. Abu Gili Kanazano.
Hey! Everybody for this palace don't dey care so. Even the Igbo. You see this Maureen? I said it. I said it. Me, Ima, the fine girl. From the first day I saw that girl, I know say that girl no come here, come walk home. But nobody believe wetin I dey talk. Now see, her real character is now coming out small, small. Okay. Answer yourself. This is time to strike. It is time to strike. Play your own game. The time is now. Hey! Opa Sodom and Gomorrah kind on here. Okay, we shall see.
Lolo. Lolo. Did she go to urinate? Lolo, where are you? Oh. Lolo, where are you?
Igwe, where have you been?
Oh, I went to the other parlor. I was there watching TV program.
Liar.
Eh?
Igwe, I said you're a liar. Because I checked you in the parlor, you were not there. I also went outside, I couldn't find you. Igwe. Don't think I am a fool. I am watching you. Okay.
Anyway, after watching TV, I went around the palace to see what is going on. At least what these useless palace guards are doing, whether they are sleeping at this time or keeping watch over the palace. That's it.
Good night.
Good night. Okay, what it means now is that I cannot walk around the palace again now to check my palace, how it is before I go to bed. Good night. Over. Good night.
What is the secret relationship going on? Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home? Everybody's playing a dating game. No one's going in tika. Okolo tika sia. Otiko mumani. Ifedi nuku na tenya mano. Nani kukufe aya fokwani kokoko. Maka oku naga wangwa manya wangwa na fokwani. Deni female wanyio. Otika. Aseke chiwayo jana. Hey, obolo tika sia.
Hey, Ichie. This man does not want to get old though. Hey, look at, who knows who he is devouring inside. Hey, Ona Sokoyao. Hey. Anyway, let me stay here and wait for them. Also, where the girl. Can you imagine what she's saying? Die. Ichie, because of this more money you have, everybody will not have something for you. Ichie. I hope my father does not do this thing now. Someone.
Maka okunaga wangwa manya wangwa na fukwani deni female wanyio. Otika aseke.
I will wait for them here until when Ichie come out. I will see him.
Everybody's playing a dating game. No one to be believed. They are living a crazy life. In the royal house, Gilligana so. Hey, Abu Gilligana so. Hey, Gilligana so. Abu Gilligana so. Hey,
Come on.
Oh, Father. Good man, Father.
I don't want to see such dirty behavior in this palace again. This is a sacred palace, and the sanctity of the ancient throne must be respected. Am I clear?
Yes, Father. Sorry, Father.
Confused. Where is everybody?
Lolo and your daughter went to the beauty shop.
Oh, it's okay. Now I am going straight to my room. Leave whatever you're doing and meet me there, okay? Meet me.
What is the secret relationship going on? Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home? Otiko nyentika, okolo tika sia, otiko mumani, ifedi nuku na tenya mano, nani kukufe aya, fokwani maka okunaga wangwa manya wangwa fukwana any female
Ije, good afternoon, sir. Old man like you, this is how you and my father will be going around the village looking for these small girls to finish up. Can you imagine? Who knows whose daughter that is inside there? Iche, what is it? Now I'm trying to message you. My father said you should come. What is it now, Iche? Iche, I will stay here and know whose daughter you are devouring inside. At least I will use it against you when I see you outside. I must wait and see the end of all this thing. This is how you are my father. Okay. My father, his friend. Ndegu. Is he going back for the second round? Who knows? Anyway, I will wait. I will wait. All these small girls in the village. Look at us, young-blooded men. They cannot come after us. All they know is to go after all these old men. Because of this small land they used to sell and get money. Anyway, I will stay and wait. I must get to the root of this. Yes. Isibe Anabana. That's all.
I am finished. Oh, I am finished. Oh.
You will hear your voice.
Oh.
Stop shouting. You will hear your voice. Let me see. Go this way. There's a small entrance, small gate. Push that gate. Push it. Run into the bush. Go. By 5 o'clock, meet me at the watch. I'll give you money.
I don't like this thing, no. I told you before I came here. I don't like all this things. I don't like all this kind of things. I don't like it.
You liked it now. Didn't you like it now? You liked it. Is it because this idiot came here? Go before something else happens. Can you jump the fence? Can you jump the fence?
I cannot jump the fence.
Go now. Go. There's a small gate there. Before that gate, push.
I don't like it. Just go.
Wait. Choma. Iche, I'm coming back for you. I'm coming back for you. Hey.
Chima.
Choma, go here. I was supposed to be the village.
Okay, what happened?
I was supposed to be the village.
What happened? What happened?
Can you imagine? I went to Iche's house. Because my brother's house should go to his house. Only for me to come to his house. So, this man making love to my sister. Making my sister. Don't fire you there. Don't fire you. Don't fire you.
Etiko is wicked though. Choma is the same age with your sister.
You must go home today. You must go home. Let's go.
Etiko, your bride price.
You must go
Hey! Ichotika utipiago ya. Eti ya na ata na abo. Ana abo.
Hey! Can you get this over there? Eh? Maybe I cannot flash. Waka.
Man, is to Benny good to me. Eh? Only can say, what kind of problem is this one now? Eh? Hey. This boy is dangerous. This boy is dangerous. Is there any other person? Are there many? Bow.
What do we do?
Listen, come to my room later, okay? So we can talk things over. But for now, we need to keep up with the pretense. I'm very sure the money will come, okay?
Okay, baby.
My new name now. I will not say anything.
If I actually ask you to say something, what do you want to say? What will you say now? You will not mind your business? What's all this nonsense? I know your problem. You are just jealous. If Rokodi, Irukamomuchu, Onuke Bonde Suka. Nonsense.
Okay. Nani one this girl? Okay. I'm going to watch him. You want to take the attention of all the men in this house, Abi? And me, Ma, nobody will look at me. I will change it for you. Never! Hey!
What is keeping this girl? Eh? I told her to come now the queen is not around. What is this? I told her also to leave the work she is doing. Oh my God. I can't wait anymore. Eh?
Darling, I am back.
Oh, I know you are back. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hug me.
Oh, Ibi, hold it. When did this one start? I can't remember the last time you hugged me, your wife.
What is wrong with you? Eh? Women, what is wrong? If you do, they will complain. If you don't, they will complain.
You are full of surprises. Thank you. Now give me a hug. How are you?
Everybody is lost.
Hey! Where's Maureen? Why did she not clean my room?
I don't know. I was cleaning upstairs now. I'm not going to feed no.
Go get her now. Tell her to go tidy my room up. And where's Richard?
Richard? He should be in his room now. Should I call him for you?
No, don't worry. I'll see him. Now go get Maureen to clean my room. Right now.
Richard's room again, this one. What is he going to Richard's room to do now? My fine girl. You have to look for your own man in this house. Never! I must. Upon.
Are you sure you're not getting carried away with all these material things around you? All I need from you is an assurance that you still love me.
Of course. You know I love you. I love you very much. You don't know how happy I am that I met you here.
Are you sure? I love you too. See, sometimes I just get jealous with all of these people around you. I just need you to keep assuring me that you still love me.
Of course, my love. I love you too much. But my only problem is these people. They wouldn't let you rest. The Lolo is on your case, the princess.
But I'm resting with you now.
Hey, baby. What is this? Richard, what is this?
We're talking.
Look at that. Hey, babe. You see what I'm saying? You see what I've been complaining? They wouldn't let you rest every now and then. It's high time. It's high time this whole nonsense stopped. What do we do?
What do we do? How? Well, what are you supposed to do? Just come back. Where did we stop? I said I want you to keep reassuring me that you still love me.
But of course you know I can do any. I die here. Bury me.
Are you sure?
But these women wouldn't just let you rest. The Lolo is just on your case. The daughter. They should just let you rest though.
Well, I'm resting with you now.
Brother, please. Brother, please, don't kill me. Brother, please. Brother, please. Brother, please. Brother, please. Brother, please. Brother, please. Brother, please.
I'm going to kill you today.
Brother, please.
But before I do that, I'll go meet your partner. That man, that business partner.
Brother,
I never know who goes around to pray. Goes around with all these small around him.
Please. Brother, please, I beg you.
Brother, please. Because the father is so he cannot do anything. I'm going to put him in this village. By the time I'm done with him, you know that there's something that... Don't worry.
It was the work of the devil, please, I beg you. Brother, please. Brother, please.
Nonsense.
The work of the devil,
Wait for me to come back.
Brother, please.
Just wait for me to come back.
Brother, please, I beg you.
Otiko nyentika, okolotika sia, otiko mumani, ifedi nuku na tinya mano, nani kukufe aya, fukwa niko kuko, maka oku naga wawa manya wawa.
What? You mean this? Yes, Mom. I told you all. That girl is here on an evil mission and she has to leave.
No way. It may not be her fault, but that boy.
Daddy, you are right. You are right. Very correct. That boy will not be more useful than to deceive young girls. I know his type.
Igwe, I told you. I can't believe this. That girl has evil intention. So early like this? No. She must leave this palace at once.
Agatha, is not true. It's that boy that will leave this palace. That's Richard.
Daddy, I'm standing by you. That boy must leave. He's leaving this palace.
Dad, why are you talking this way? He didn't force her to enter his room, did he? Ada, go and call me that foolish girl. Now!
Ada, also call that stupid Richard. Here now.
Dad, don't worry. You go and call Richard. Me, I am going to come on. Yes. Go, let me go and call him.
Yes, Harry.
Sit down.
You sit down.
You sit down.
Nonsense.
That person could do my sister, I don't do anyhow. I kill somebody today. If I don't care, man, I know that. I don't think of
Richard, how dare you? I warned you. You came to my sacred and holy palace to deform it. I will not take it from you. You don't have to behave anyhow here.
Dad, it's not him you should be talking to, it's her you should be talking to. She's the problem here.
Come on, shut up your mouth. Don't even say that. This fool here is the problem. And I feel like...
Hey. What is wrong? What is it? What do you want to do? Look, Igwe, I don't like this judgment at all. I don't like this judgment. He didn't force her to enter his room, did he?
Is this how you judge it? Why didn't he tell her to leave his room? Richard, you will leave this house today.
Your Highness, I'm sorry, but we weren't doing anything.
Yes, Your Highness.
Come on, shut up your mouth. You wearing...
Come on, shut up your mouth. What do you mean we weren't doing anything? You fool! Huh? Men harlots!
He's telling the truth, my prince. We weren't doing anything. He was only telling me about his life experience.
Will you shut your mouth up? Shut that your trap up! You're the one living this palace. And now, yes, she must leave.
No way.
Good.
Richard, you go in there, pick up your things, you must leave now.
That's not fair. She's the one that should leave.
Come on, shut up your mouth. What do you mean? He's leaving.
Your Highness, I'm really sorry. But like I said before, we weren't doing anything. She was only telling me some of her secrets in the palace and how it is strongly connected to royalty.
What?
I said she was only telling me some of her secrets in the palace and how it is strongly connected to royalty.
She was telling you that?
Yes.
Igwe, I said it. I said it. This girl has a mission in this palace.
No.
She is leaving. No. And now.
No, my queen. I do not have a mission. I was only relating my family issues to him.
Yeah, family issues.
It's okay, it's okay. Both of you should go back to your duty post. I want to have a meeting with my family. Go now. Come on, get out of this place. Out!
Igwe, Father, that girl is leaving this palace. And now, she should be the one that should leave.
Come on, shut up the voice.
She's the problem. What is wrong with you? Can't you see that?
Whatever you do in the dark, you must be exposed to in the light, yo. Nothing is hidden under the sun, no. Makani kukufe, ayafoni kukukono, onyapuna bachala nyano. Otiko nyentika, otilo tigasia, otiko muma, ifeti nukuna, inyamano, mani kukufe, ayafoni kukukono. Maka okunaga wawa manya wawa na fukwanu deni female wegio otika aseke chiwayo ejena ay obolotika sia ay ichiyo weno de.
But Daddy, tell yourself the truth. So it's not because Mom is the one that brought that guy. He's innocent in this case. He's the innocent one.
Can you imagine?
Imagine what? What are you imagining? Eh? What I said must happen. I am the king and commander-in-chief of this household. He must go.
Bam. Igwe, you will live long. Igwe has spoken. What? Mom and Ada, what is your interest? Why are you always supporting this boy? Eh? Why are you always defending him?
Ask me again.
Igwe, you cannot send that boy and referred away. Else, that girl will leave too.
Yes. In that case, both of them leaves.
It's a lie. That girl will not go. She is here for my sake. I mean...
Your sake.
She is here for her father's sake. I promised him long ago. In fact, let me call him now. Let me call her father. Where is my phone? Oh, it's upstairs.
Yes, call her father. Call her and tell her father everything she has been doing in this palace. Tell him everything.
Igwe, that will not happen, no. It will not happen. Richard is going nowhere. Richard is going nowhere. In fact, I need to find out why he did what he did.
Everybody is lost. Everybody is a suspect and everybody is the offender. The question is what's going on?
What is that for? Eh? We need to see. Is that why you are here? I'm heartbroken now. I'm heartbroken. I'm not happy.
Igwe, who broke your heart?
Each year, I will call you back. But you have to talk to her. Call her and talk to her, please. Yeah?
Okay. Her father. Please tell him, oh.
You heard what I said. We have to see. For us to be seen as regular as I want is the main purpose of having you around me. Yes. Even if there is no time, you have to make out time.
I told you I need money now. Where do we see? Honestly, I need money. I need money. Okay, Daddy, don't worry. Daddy, I'll call you back. What is it?
Come on, what was that? Maria, what was that all about? Huh? No, tell me. What do you really want that I can provide for you? Just name it. Say it. And I'll give it to you. How can you choose a commoner over me? Huh? Just say it. And I'll give it to you.
My prince, I have my life to live. I can go out with whoever I choose.
I know. But I care so much about you. I love you so much. I want you.
I need 2 million naira. My father is terribly ill, and we need that for his treatment.
Oh. Really? I'm sorry about that. But how are you really sure I was going to give it to you?
You never can tell. You're not in his pocket. But please, just leave me alone. I need to be left alone.
Alright, darling. Just relax. I'll see what I can do about it, man. Huh? I'll try. So, just smile and show me some love. Show me some love. Give it a minute.
Why? I brought you here to be close to me. Why do you want another girl? A common maid?
Well, it's my life. Besides, we were only talking about her late grandfather's burial.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Is that what you're telling me? So you chose a maid over a queen?
Well, she shows me through love. I asked you for money, you refused to give me, so what are we talking about?
But I've told you that I'm working on it, darling. Please, just calm down. I'll do something about it. Okay, I'll do that first thing tomorrow morning, okay?
Are you sure about that?
Of course, yeah. Sure. That's my baby.
Let me lock the door so we can talk about that.
Oh, forget about it. Nobody's coming in. Yeah.
Tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Why should I?
Mom, I was... What are you doing here?
Oh, nothing. I was just cautioning him. You know, your father is always scolding him, so I'm trying to set things straight.
And he had to come all the way to his room?
Oh, come on, dear. There's nothing wrong in having a discussion with him.
Mom, you're sitting on his bed.
And so, are you? What are you doing here?
Me? Oh, I came to ask him to make lunch. I'm starving.
Oh, that.
Yes, I don't have to sit in and learn. So.
That's okay. Richard, remember what I told you.
Oh, yes.
Face your work.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah, yes.
Good.
You want the food now?
Yes.
Huh?
Food, yeah.
Igwe, I greet you. Ichiago, you are welcome. How may I help you?
Your Highness. Arụ emeko na ala anyị. An abomination has been committed in this land, and I've come here to let you know.
What happened?
Ini Edo took my own daughter to his house and defiled her.
That's too bad. Why would he do a thing like that? I thought he is your friend.
Even if he's my friend, is that the reason why he should defile my own daughter? No, I will not take it from him. I will kill him.
Okay, please, you calm down. I would send for him. I think I will send for him.
You better do that, because I intend to kill him. Do that.
Greetings, my king.
Oh.
Greetings, Ichi.
Oh, greetings.
Ichiago. What are you looking at?
Sorry. I wasn't looking at anything. Please do something.
Do what? Huh? It's now you know that I will do something, but you concentrated looking at the lady that passes. Huh? Is that what brought you here? Let me warn you for the last time. You face the matter that brought you here. Do you hear me?
Your Highness, I'm very sorry. I wasn't looking at her, in actual fact.
I wasn't looking at her. You were looking at me.
No, I wasn't looking at her. You know, I am an honorable man. I can't do that kind of thing, my Highness.
Anyway, like I said before, I will send for him.
Whatever you do with that, you must be supposed to the light.
Thank God you're here. Thank you for coming.
How could you do a thing like that, Choma?
It was the work of the devil now. It was the work of the devil.
Devil? Did you say devil? When will you people of this world stop calling devil for all your mistakes? Don't you know that man is too old? And he's even your father's friend. And your best friend's friend. Choma.
I know. Think I don't know that. I know, please. Just help on time before my brother comes back. Else he's going to kill me, please.
No.
See, I know I've disappointed you. I'm sorry. Just on time, else my brother will kill me if he comes here. And I very please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you,
Wait,
please.
Choma. What would the informer say when she returns back from Kano? How will she feel?
Very untie me first now, please. Untie me, please.
Let me just tie you.
Thank you.
But don't do this thing next time. Please, I want to ask you. So with all those those fine boys that have been toasting you, you did not see any of them to date. Is that old man?
Berry, what
would people be? How would they see you now?
What is it? I've heard you, Berry. Do you want to kill me because I messed up?
Oh, okay. Now you can talk loud, Because I've untied you. Hey, I've untied you now. You can talk loud. Choma.
It's not like that.
Here.
I'm sorry. See, Iche deceived me. He deceived me with his money.
He deceived you as a baby. He deceived you.
But I have to leave before my brother comes back. Else he's going to kill me alive.
Your brother.
What? Is this you or your ghost?
It's me.
What happened? You should be in Kano by now.
I did not go again. I went to my auntie's place at Onitsha. And she asked me to come back, not to go to Kano.
Are you serious? You did well, You are welcome. You are welcome.
Let me go inside now. I have come to apply as a maid here. So that if you are the guard and the maid, we'll be together always. I don't want to go back to my father.
Omaka, Mana. As for your father, forget him. I'm no longer afraid of your father. So you too, you don't have to be afraid of your father anymore. Because your father was often kupu to me. You see your father, I'm Anaka. If I like, I put it in my pocket. If I like, I go to ATM and deposit your father.
My father.
Otachom, I will expose him. You will not understand. Let's go inside so that I will tell you.
Baby, wait. Expose my father.
You wait. Come inside. You will hear the full gist. Long enough to get you. Lord, come, let me tell you.
Choma! Hey, Chich! Choma! This girl, how do you manage to untie herself? How manage to untie herself? Hey, this girl has escaped too. Hey, I will kill you today when I... Hey! Wait. Choma!
What?
I'm telling you.
My father did that?
Yeah. I collected the money from them. As it is now, your father respects me. He will even tell me good afternoon. Hey.
Chama will see another side of me. She will see another side of me.
It's not her fault. It's your father's fault.
Baby, what are you saying? Can you listen to yourself? What do you mean it's not her fault? Is she a kid? Can't she say no?
Small thing. Very small.
I need to go to my house now. In fact, I need to go and see Chuma. I will show her.
You have to take it easy. You have to take it easy.
Okay, listen. Let me go. I will come back and see you later. I am not in the right place.
Dikeh, is that right? Let me see you off.
Oh, Choma. The news have gone round. But you have to move on. You cannot kill yourself.
Oh, God.
Oh?
Baby, you don't understand. I'm so ashamed of myself right now. I mean, everybody has heard about it. Oh, Jesus.
Well, they've all heard about it. But you have to look for where to stay. I cannot tell you to come to my house. You know your brother knows my house. I'm even scared of him. Choma, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, my friend.
No. The only fear I have right now is my brother is telling everybody in this village. He's just broadcasting it everywhere in this village. I'm tired. What did I even do to myself? What did I do to myself?
You have to leave here before your brother will start looking for you. Me, I'm going now. It's okay now. It's okay. Stop crying now. It's okay.
Choma, what have you done to yourself now? What have you done to yourself? What have I done to myself? Oh, God. Oh!
What is it?
No, where are you going?
Okay, what is it? What kind of stupid question is that? Is it not a crime for me to go and clean the Igwe's room?
It's not a crime to go and clean Igwe's room now. Especially now that you want to go and clean it without anything. You want to clean with your hand, Abi. Nah, miali. Away forever. Nah, miali. I'll be catching you.
You know your problem? You are senseless. They need to take you to rehab. I don't know why you have chosen to be a witch in this palace. A witch! A certified one at that. What is your problem? You know you are in the man.
I'll be catching you like this. So if floaters jidegi. I got jidegi every day. Ah, miali. Meandering.
Whatever you do in the dark, you must be exposed to in the light, yo. Nothing is hidden under the sun. No. Pakani kukufe, aya foni kukubono. Onyapuna bachala nyano. Otiko nyentika, okolo tigasia, otiko mumani, ifedi nukuna tenyamano, nani kukufe aya, fokwani kokuko maka okwu naga wangwa manya wangwa na fukwanu teni female onwegi otika aseke chinwayo ijena.
Yes, how may I help you?
The Igwe wants to see you at the palace now.
Me?
Yes, Ichie.
Is there any problem?
No, I don't know.
Papa, I am back. So this is it.
My baby.
So this is
my
it.
daughter. Welcome.
So this is it.
Welcome, my daughter.
Don't welcome me, Biko. Don't welcome me. What a shameful man you are. So this is the reason why you have been asking me to leave this village by fire by force, so that you can go and mess around with my friend Chioma, someone who is old enough to be your daughter.
What? What's your problem? Eh? What is what?
I'm sorry.
I'm going to deliver your message and get it out.
Okay.
I say what? Look at him, or look at what? Yeah, welcome. See, come, let us go inside, sit down, and discuss this matter like father and daughter.
Who is your daughter? Who is your daughter? I am not your daughter. You should be ashamed of yourself.
If it's me, this... Look at Daniel. I thought this girl was supposed to be in Kano by now. How did she get here? So that useless Jude went to call her and told her everything. Hi.
That girl, I will deal with her. She thinks she can come and sleep with my father. I will show her why I'm called the former. So this is the plan. This is the plan. So why the rock?
Please don't kill that girl for me, please. Leave that girl alone. Hey. Utika kwa nka. Utika nke tika sekwa go. Kenya game this matter. Kenya game this matter.
Who is that? Oh, my baby, I'm coming.
Igwe, it's me. Mma the fine girl. Yes, Igwe.
What are you doing here?
Igwe, your bed. I came to dress your room for you.
You came to dress my bed?
Yes, Igwe.
Did I ask you to come and dress my bed? Now my bed is well made. Out.
Igwe, anything anybody can do for you in this palace, I can do it even better than the person. Whoever it is. Just try, and a try will convince you. Try my fine girl once.
Mma, or whatever you call yourself.
Define my fine girl, sir.
I am expecting my wife, not you. And my bed is well made. Now out. I said out.
If you try, I will convince you.
Before I open my eyes now, you are out.
But see, I can do it better than anybody. Let me just try manna once.
Please leave.
Yes, Igwe. Igwe, let me.
Child, so irritating. Look at how ugly she is. Such an ugly girl.
Igwe, just let me tell you for the last time, you will like it too. You can like it where Igwe. You will just be busy, man. You try now, you will like it. Hey, Igwe, isn't my fine girl? Just forget about my face. Let's work on the body.
Mama,
Igwe,
please get out.
Let's get out. Okay, sir. Man, you can like it where? Igwe, you can like it where?
My God. The gods of our land, please save me. Save me from this ugly thing.
Hello, girl.
Eat your food. It's delicious.
What is delicious about this food? I don't want to eat.
Harry, why are you doing this with Dad? What did this guy ever do to both of you?
I don't understand. Just the same way you and Maureen are trying to frustrate Maureen in this house. I don't like him. I don't want to eat his food.
My prince, you sent for me.
Yes, please go to the kitchen and get me something to eat.
Okay, my prince.
Hey. Don't ever enter my kitchen. We have a chef in this palace. And it's his duty to prepare all kinds of meal you want. That is why he's here.
Okay.
Mom, I don't get it. Are you trying to tell me I don't have right in my father's house to the kitchen?
Harry, can you just stop hating on this guy?
And will you shut
Why are you hating on this innocent guy? God, he's a great cook. Enjoy the meal.
Everybody is lost. Okwamiri maboni sino kedezi kandida yaya dizio. Everybody is a suspect and everybody is the offender. The question is what's going on? What's going on? What?
Where is that dog? Get that cookie! Come out and fight me! Chioma! Please, Chioma, I am not in a good mood right now. I am not happy. So Chioma did not see all the young boys in this village to mess with. It is my father. Hey!
Ifoma, you are very right. I am very angry with Chioma, honestly. I am very, very angry. I support your anger. But the problem right now is that she's not around. I don't know how she managed to go out of this house. See, I am very angry with her, honestly.
Onyeka, you people should get ready to bury 2 corpses in this village. The same day, the same time, the same minute. Because I will deal with her. Hey!
See, I just promise you. Go and come back tomorrow. I will hold her for you. I want you to flog her and flog her and flog her so that when she see all these old people, she will stop following them. Can you imagine? I was even angry. I came to your house only for me to be hearing your father and my sister. Imagine. Your father, an old man like my father, and I know my father does the same thing too. Anyway, I'll come back tomorrow.
If you let your man messing, are you promising me that you will tie her up for me?
I want you to flog Chioma very, 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 very well. I will help you and hold her. I will hold her very well for you. Yes.
So I promise. All I want you to do is to inform her that I am coming back. Tell her to get ready because I will shall deal with her. She's not ashamed of herself.
Can you imagine? Thank God you are here and I thought that you helped me and beat her very well. I'm waiting for you to come back. I will hold her and I'll tie her up so you flog her. Go and come back.
What I will do to her, me, I don't even have for that.
Fine girl. What is it? Why are you talking to yourself? Who upset you?
Is it not that stupid girl in this palace? Is it not her? That stupid girl, I don't know what she's always feeling like.
Who's that?
Maureen. That's Maureen. Is it me she's doing shakara for? She cannot do shakara for me now. Is she finer than me? No. Let me tell you something. Do you know that Igwe is sleeping with that girl?
What?
Yes. Don't say that I told you what's going on. I'm sick. Do you know that I saw Igwe sneaking out of her room in the night?
Wait,
Are you sure of what you're saying? And I hope you haven't told anyone.
I'm very, very sure. Very, 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 very sure. You know I'm telling you this because I like you. You're my friend. Don't say it to anybody. Because if you say it now, we'll land into trouble. Because the watcher.
That's okay, you can go.
Don't tell anybody here. Over there again.
Mani kukufe aya fukwani kokoko maka okunaga wawa manya wawa na fukwani deni female wegio otika aseke chimaya
Ifoma. Hey, Biko, Edena Mile. I am very angry. I am not in a good mood now, Biko.
Here. Have you heard?
Why will I not hear? Why will I not hear? I am just coming from her house. But she should thank God I did not meet her. If not, I would have shown her another side of me today. But it's not late yet. Echibu, another day.
Take it easy. You have to take it easy. But I know she messed up.
Can you imagine? Hi. My own father. Eh?
That's so bad. But why would your father do such thing?
What are you saying? What are you even saying? What is the meaning of this thing you just said? Eh? Is Chioma a kid? Or did my father use charm on her? Biko, don't even say that thing again. Don't get me angry. Don't allow me start with you.
I'm just saying you should take it easy. Just take it easy.
Why did I even stop to talk to you? Why did I stop? Okay, take it easy. No problem. But I want to tell you as a very good friend of hers that you are. Tell her to run wherever she sees me because I will tear her apart. I will tear her.
Take it easy, oh. Here. This fight will be hot, oh. If you take it easy, oh. Hey.
Whatever you do in the dark, you must be exposed to it.
Otika, how could you do a thing like that? An elder like you? Eh? Why?
Igwe, I am very sorry. You know, it was a mistake. A manly mistake. You understand?
You are very sorry. Huh? See, let me remind you, elders like us should be respecting ourselves. What if your children hears about this thing you did now? What would they say? Eh? What would they say, Otika?
Igwe, you know I don't have a wife anymore. I'm alone. I'm like a bachelor. Okay.
Mama. I know you don't have a wife. But what you should do now is to look for a very good wife for yourself. I have always told you people to look up to me as your Igwe. I don't mess up with girls. I don't mess around.
At all.
The only woman I know in my life as I'm talking to you now is my wife. My Lord. My queen.
My wonderful Igwe.
I know that body sometimes scratches, itches. For your own best interest, look for a very good woman and hook up with her. Instead of these small children that will bring scandal to you tomorrow.
This small one that wants to put me in trouble, but our gods will not allow her to do it. At least I have you as my person.
What can we be?
You can
what can we be? Please try.
So thank you very much.
It's okay.
I'm sorry once again. This will never happen again. I will do exactly as you said. I look for a wife. Look for a wife and marry. But at my age and stage to get a new wife. But I will try.
I want him to say Badhanya. Just be careful.
Here can one Igwe, dear to our relation Igwe.
Tika. Oh, child, God, what will I do now? What do I do?
See, you don't have to be afraid of her. You are a woman like her. If you explain to her and she refuses to understand, fight her.
No, I can't do that, Naibere. I mean, I'm the one that's fought here. I can't fight her.
Well, she should be ashamed of her father. If she refuses to understand, you fight her.
See, Iberi, let me just come and stay in your house tomorrow. Maybe by then our anger might have calmed down or something, please.
It's okay. Let's go. But you have to be brave.
I know, but I cannot fight her.
You will fight her. Don't be scared.
I'm the one that's fought. Iberi, I cannot do this.
Don't be a juge. Let's go.
Whatever you do in the dark, you must be exposed to in the light. Yo. Nothing is hidden under the sun. No. Makani kukufe, ayafoni kokubono. Onyapona bachalanya.
Okay, so the princess has sent her own money. The Lolo has equally sent her own money.
Wow.
What about yours?
Same. The prince has given me the money, and the king also has sent his own.
All right, that's fine. So we're ready to leave.
That's why I'm so happy. I
We're ready
cannot wait
to leave.
Of course, I get married to you. I'm so excited.
So our days in this house are numbered. We're just going to pack our things, leave, and we'll get married.
I can't wait. I cannot wait.
Simple as
Goodness. What in God's name is going on here? Talking to you. What is going on here?
You think I'm scared of you? Because you're the prince. I should be scared of you. Oh yeah. You saw me kissing her and you got crazy, you got mad. Would you have preferred I kissed your mom? Or kissed your sister?
Richard!
If I don't kiss her, who am I going to kiss?
Have you lost your mind?
No, I haven't lost my mind.
Are you talking to me like that?
My mind is intact. And yes, I'm talking to you like that. What are you going to do?
Richard!